We got call because we're going to park here. We're going to buy naan bread. Right, Ali?
Bread.
Oh my god, they make good. What is it?
Will get bad, yeah.
We're buying naan. Look at these hard-working people in 50 degrees. They're working in 100 degrees. I'm so sorry you guys are suffering in the heat. Look at you. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry I can't play with you. But you know, I have drinks for you guys. This is my real official Kurdish channel. Guys, another picture with us. This is what you want. Hello. I find it so scary. Yeah, me too. Like.
Is our house for the night? Evin, wat tycker du?
Underbart.
Jag vet. Wow, so nice. Se dušet Anaka.
Look at how that chocolate nice. Wow, this. Wrong city. Chocolate. That's the one. That's the right. Every time she moves, and everybody's watching her. Just looking.
صار وين حاليا وين هذا أنا ملكين.
Hamala başlatayım ben uy.
حسري شكو ما سرقوا مناقين بيس نازم